Hi there, Coleman Alderson for GardensAll.com. Today we're looking at how to harvest blueberries, and we have a bumper crop this year. Remember, earlier in the year we said we would experiment and bypass bird netting in favor of these shiny ribbons that reflect. And proof of concept, guys, which we always like to show you. We believe this really did work, and we have seen very little, if any, bird predation on our blueberry patch. It's been a good year. We've had a lot of rain, and these berries are just coming out and looking really fine. We're on our third or fourth round of harvesting, and as you can see, there's still a lot to go. Over here is a typical bush. Now, we picked this bush 2 days ago, and it's one of those questions of, where do we begin? Where do we dive in on these berries? Because here we have it, another round of picking, and wanted to show you guys exactly how we do it. In this hand, I have a grocery bag, typical just plastic bag, and I have it spread out, one sort of in the nook of my elbow, or should be. Give a little space here, and the other's on my wrist. So I have a little pocket in here where the berries will go. And what I do, and there are a lot of ways of doing this, I'm just showing you how we hacked into it. What we do to harvest these blueberries is it's a thumb and finger way into the hand. So I'm just rolling. If it comes off easily with just a little roll, sort of a little twist, and it goes into the hand. Get enough in the hand, and of course I'll be dropping a few now and then. That's okay for the critters down on the ground. And we get a nice handful. And which ones am I picking? Great question. If you'll note, some of these berries are turning blue. This one here at the bottom, where the flower was, has a little, I don't know whether you can see it or not, but it has a little reddish color to the little circle there that's right around it. I don't know whether we can focus in on that. Yeah. Whereas that one's not quite right. But the one down below it, right here, is sort of a brownish color. You'll note that. And it's going to roll right off into my hand. So it's a simple matter. I take this and I put it in the bag, and then we keep rolling on. Just rolling it in the palm. Just a little pick here and there. But that's how we're doing it. We got a lot of this to do. I think we're up to about 12 pounds so far since we started picking, and we started last week. So 3 days of picking, we're up to 12 pounds. It is a wonderful year, and thank heavens, it seems like we cracked the code on our blueberry predation situation by putting up these shimmery reflective bird scare tapes, and we're mighty glad for that. We are truly blessed with a wonderful crop. So guys, if you're out there, you have your blueberry patch, we'd love to hear how you're doing, what's happening, and if you have any particular way yourself of picking. There are mechanical ways of doing it. There's also ways of just shaking the bush and picking out what falls on the ground. You put a sheet or something. Some people even put an umbrella upside down underneath and just shake. But I kind of like doing it this way. Puts us right in touch with the berries. So that's it. Just wanted to share our great fortune and wish you all the best in your harvest if you're growing blueberries. Drop us a line, let us know how you're doing. At the end of this video, you'll see that below the screen there is a subscribe button. And if you want to pick up on the latest and get an alert, you can ring that bell on the latest of our videos that we're putting out there. So this is Coleman Alderson for GardensAll.com, wishing you all the best in growing and the best in harvest this year. So long.